Imagine sitting in silence only to be interrupted by persistent ringing in your ears, a sound that seems as real as the voice of a loved one. This is a daily reality for millions suffering tinnitus, yet many are led to believe that relief is out of reach. The biggest myth? That tinnitus is an incurable condition. The truth is far more empowering. Your brain has the ability to adapt and rewire itself. It's called neuroplasticity. In fact, studies show that through targeted techniques, many people find significant relief. For instance, researchers found that mindfulness meditation can reduce the perception of tinnitus by recalibrating how your brain processes sound. Today, I want to share 2 immediate steps you can take. First, try a simple breathing exercise. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This act alone can help decrease the intensity of your tinnitus as it calms your nervous system. Second, incorporate sound therapy by using white noise or nature sounds for about 30 minutes a day, which can effectively mask the ringing and help your brain habituate to it. But I know, even with all this knowledge, managing tinnitus can still feel overwhelming. I've been through it myself, and I remember feeling lost and frustrated. That's when I discovered something that genuinely helped me. There's this one supplement I found after trying countless products, and it actually made a real difference in how I felt day to day. I'm not exaggerating when I say it could be a game changer for you too. Head over to my homepage and check it out. Seriously, don't miss this opportunity to find the relief you're searching for.